YouTube? What's up? It's your boy 360 Jeezy. You already see what's going on right here, all right? Some people don't know about this trimmer. Some people do. Some people be hollering on the internet saying,
the way Jeezy did the front line, you know, it really wasn't crispy like that. It really wasn't hitting like that. I can see it. I can do it.
Listen, I'm gonna tell y'all right now that this trimmer right here, man, these trimmers right here. All right, so let's unbox this trimmer. These are the professional Hi-Viz cordless trimmers. And just by the glance of these are fire, all right? These are titanium, and it kind of give you that Marvel Avengers Age of Ultron type of vibe. But nah, this is an ultra high 360-degree exposed T-blade, perfect for lining up, outlining, detailing, and any other type of intricate work. It has a full-size clipper motor, adaptive speed control, meaning that the speed stays consistent, all right? It has the ability to debulk even the thickest of hair. It has a 2-hour battery life with LED charge indicators, super fast recharge capability. And when I take things out of the box, they come with your typical things like oils and brushes, blades, and an interchangeable charging stand and cables. Listen, I'm not gonna waste no time. These trimmers hit, all right? No need to sit here and do this drawn out, wait to the end to, you know what I mean, to tell you whether or not these trimmers hit or not. These trimmers hit. Now, I've been having these trimmers, you see, I act like I ain't got a second pair. You know what I'm saying? I've been having these trimmers for about at least a couple weeks now, right? And I've had some questions, you know, when I post my video on Instagram, I've been having a lot of questions that I'm gonna answer in this video. And the first question, do they hit out of the box? Now, to be honest with you, I didn't really try to see if they hit out of the box. They come with this little, it's like a leveler, right? To where you could adjust it and get it as sharp as possible. Wahl makes these like little plastic things where you could put the blade on it, kind of use the screwdriver to tighten and loosen it and kind of get that blade right there on the money. So that's what I did, all right? Once I did that, all I did was blah, blah, blah. I'm talking about hitting precision. Now, like I said, I didn't use the clipper straight out of the box, all right? I never do with any of my trimmers. Either I have the blade modified or I adjust them before I, you know, because I want them to be as sharp as possible. Unless I'm cutting kids or, you know what I mean? Anything that somebody has a sensitive neck, I'll just use it straight out of the box. And chances are, it really don't hit like that because the factory don't, you know, put it all the way to where it needs to be to really give you that crispy line. So as far as the design goes, the ergonomics you're gonna have to get used to a little bit because it's a little long right here, and the way your hand has to be positioned on the trimmer, it does set you like back a little bit. So you're gonna have to get used to how, you know, the ergonomics to the distance between the forehead, the lineup, the hand, you know, you're gonna have to get used to it. But it didn't take me that long to really feel comfortable with this trimmer at all. As far as the look of these trimmers, I feel like these look good. You know what I'm saying? These are like the Rolls Royce of trimmers, all right? The way your hand feels, you know, touching it, the thickness, the heaviness, I like it. Hey, yo, the feeling, the thickness, I like it. The way your hand feels, you know, touching it, the thickness, the heaviness. Yo, hey, pause, bro. Hey, Jeezy, pause, bro. Stop it now. You are to be stopped. Regroup and talk to me nice. All right, that's about it. That's about all I can say about it. I like the look of it, I like the design. I like the ridges that they have right here. It kind of has like this grip to where it's not just gonna slip out of your hand because, you know, the rest of it is smooth, but you do have these ridges right here for gripping purposes, and I didn't have no problem with these falling out of my hands. So as far as the sound goes, these are very, very quiet. Let me compare them to some other trimmers. So right here we got the sabers. These pretty quiet, I ain't gonna lie. You got the Babyliss. And you got the Hi-Viz. To me, the Babyliss sounds the loudest. It's really out of these two. I want to say the sabers is kind of quiet. It's the sabers, but you know what I'm saying? The sabers is coming in first right now, but you know what I mean? That's just to tell you how quiet these trimmers really are, though. They're not loud trimmers at all. So while we're here, I just want to show you guys what it looks like when it's plugged up. I've never let these die, but when it's charging, it basically lights up like this. And also, one cool thing about it is that it has this USB-C plug-in to where you could put your phone charger in here as well. Let me show you that. Boom. I got my phone charger, USB Type-C, and it's charging as well. So I just want to show you guys how to zero gap these trimmers using the wall piece that it comes with in the box. So this is the piece that it comes with. Comes with a little screwdriver in the back. So all you do is unscrew the back. Be careful not to unscrew it all the way, because it does have some tension on the back, and you could kind of have the blade just flying everywhere. So make sure that you kind of control how much you unscrew the trimmer from the back. So now all you want to do is put the head right here and adjust these two screws. Loosen it up just a tad so that the blade can move. All you want to do is move the blade upward as much as it can go and screw it back in place. And basically, this is exactly how I zero gapped it to make them hit. All right, so let's just be real. You guys don't care about all of that. You want to see how they hit, all right? Stay tuned. right, you guys, we are back. Like I said in the beginning, man, these trimmers hit with all of the Wahl trimmers that they've been coming out with the detailers, with just everything Wahl. These are my favorite Wahl trimmers, hands down, man. I started using these trimmers and I fell in love, not the first day, not the first day, okay? Let's just make that clear. Okay, the first day, it's gonna take a minute because you're gonna feel like the ergonomic of it just ain't sitting well with you. So you're gonna grab what you used to. But once you get them to hit and you start feeling like, oh snap, you start gliding around you start getting used to it. Once you start getting used to it, it's a wrap after that, all right? You're gonna love these trimmers. I do. These should have been in my top 5 trimmers. Like, I got these trimmers in that top 5 trimmer video and I just didn't use it and I couldn't, but these definitely top 5, hands down, all right? Top 3. Top 3. Okay, I got to put these up against something because these got a battle. If y'all want to see the battle of the trimmers, let me know, all right, in the comment section below. But yeah, these are a must cop, all right? These are definitely a must cop. If you got a bunch of trimmers, man, it's cool. All my students out there, these is the one to get. Make sure that, Wahl gave me like a promo code. Hold on. Wahl gave me a promo code, okay? All right, use code GZ10, all right, at checkout if you're getting it on the Wahl website, all right? Now, don't get me wrong. Just because I'm saying, I would have never said, if these was trash, I would have told you it was trash, bro. I need everybody to understand that right now, but they wanted me to try out these trimmers, so they sent them to me, but don't get it, I don't want anybody to get it messed up. I kind of want to throw that, I ain't gonna do that, but I don't get it twisted. All right, if these trimmers was trash, I wouldn't even have spoke on it. I wouldn't even have said nothing. All right, these trimmers is the truth. All right, I ain't getting paid to say this. I promise you I'm not getting paid. I wish I was. Wahl. I'ma just say that. Enough said. But that's my review on these trimmers, man. These are a must cop. These hit straight out the gate. Ain't no more I could say. I didn't need to sharpen them, even though I am gonna get them sharpened. I didn't need to sharpen them, and you guys seen how they hit. But yeah, you guys can pick this up. Links will be in the description below. It's your boy 360 Jeezy. I'm out of here. Peace.